Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
In second phase, we will be covering 4 states. Uttar Pradesh second phase, Punjab in one phase, Uttarakhand in one phase, Goa in one phase. So Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Goa. In second phase, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa will be over. And here the issue of notification will be 21st January. Last date of nominations 28th January. Scrutiny of nominations 29th January. And last date of withdrawal of candidature 31st January. And date of poll 14th February, that is Monday. So on 7th March all polling will be over and the date of counting is 10th March 2022, that is Thursday.
ही सुचोवणी गोंयांत 21 जानेराक येतली. उमेदवारी घालपाक उमेदवारांक 28 जानेर मेरेन प्राझ आसतलो. अर्जाची स्क्रुटिनी 29 जानेराक जातली. 31 जानेराक उमेदवारी विड्रॉ करूंक मेळटली. मतदान 14 फेब्रुवारीक जाल्यार निकाल 10 मार्चाक.
गोंयांतूय वेंचणूक आयोगान पत्रकार परिशद घेवन सविस्तर माहिती दिली.
1722 polling stations, which makes average polling station wise average size of voter is 672, which is among the lowest in the country. And if you divide it by 40 assembly constituencies, so we are having average voter size per assembly constituency is 28,912. And the biggest assembly in terms of size of voter is Vasco da Gama, which is having 35,139. And the lowest number is with Mormugao, which is having 19,958. Voter helpline app. So through these apps, citizens can report any kind of violations to the election authorities, and we will take action immediately within the time frame. See, if it is visible, because our teams will be moving around the state. 48 teams are there. 80 teams would be, flying squads are there. So they will be moving in addition to the returning officers, sector officers and other officers. Even observers will be there. So that way suo moto action will be taken also. And if any citizen is having any information, they can pass it on to us either by phone, that is 1950, or by email of CEO office, or by using the C-Vigil app.
Bureau Report, Prudent.